Check out this Briggs & Riley carry-on garment bag. Now this is a fantastic piece of luggage. There are so many pockets on the outside. There are several areas within this that you can use for any piece of luggage that you need to carry with you, whether it's something small like a battery bank or whatever it would be. But if we open up the rest of this carry-on garment bag, this is just going to show you how much space is within this little bag. So we can open this up and see that we can place our dresses or our suits or anything that needs to be hung up, we can use for this carry-on bag. And there are so many pockets within this bag that we can open up and just see how much space we have. There are several pockets on the outside, but if we open this up even further, we can see how many pieces of clothing that we can put within this bag. So unzipping the side here, there's a little space that we can put like our underwear or our socks perhaps. Anything that like our accessories that we need that's small and can go in an outside pocket. If we then open up the rest of this bag, we can see how much space is in this suitcase. Now there are so many things that you can include in here. There's the hanger, so you can put something that you need to hang up like a suit, or you can have two pockets on either side for anything that it is like, cufflinks or any smaller item like jewelry perhaps. There are other pockets on the outside that you can include other pieces of jewelry, and just it's so many different ways that you can pack your clothes into this bag, and it'll still be a carry-on, so you can place it under the seat in front of you. And then we do have this bar down here that raises up pretty high, because it's just a tiny little suitcase down there, but we do have this bar where you can carry it along with you and walk through the airport, or even like on the train, take it with you there. So I hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.